Hello and welcome to another episode of Southtown Garage. Today we're keeping things simple and we're introducing you to the Sportswagen Das Auto. So with the gas prices we saw last year, the Hondarrari wasn't doing it for us. So I upgraded to a Volkswagen TDI. And you know, nice little car. It's fuel efficient. It looks good. Got a moonroof. There's a bunch of good features, and one of the things that I like most about it is how comfortable it is. It's got leather. Hey, look at that interior. That's beautiful. And it's got in-dash navigation. That's the one thing I wanted the most. But I'm finding there are limitations to the navigation, so we may be looking to change that at some point. But one of the first things we need to do with this car today is to do a little upgrade. And by upgrade, yes, we're going to put some tires and wheels on this thing, get the boring out of this car. And to do that, we need a few small tools, nothing major. Just I'm going to end up using a impact gun, but you can use it just a normal ratchet, a breaker bar, or a breaker bar ratchet extension, and of course a torque wrench. For this, I think the lug nuts are 19 mil, and I have to take those covers off, so I'll get back to you on that one. So they're little Torx. I think those ones are to take the covers off these wheels. But anyways, so let's get to it. The weather is starting to turn on me, so let's see how much I can get done before the rain tells me to stop. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to get this done, and I might show you afterwards, but let's get to it. First, jack up the car. Next, with the pick provided in your factory wheel lock car kit, remove the wheel nut covers. Next, remove the factory wheel nuts and wheel, followed by installing your new wheel with the provided hardware, as it may be different than your factory wheel nuts. Drop the car down and torque the wheels. Follow this step with the rest of your wheels to give it a new look. Thanks for watching this episode of Southtown Garage. If you like this video, please hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment and let us know what you thought. Also, if you're looking for those same wheels that I got for the car, feel free to contact your local Fountain Tire. If you're in Chilliwack, please talk to Chilliwack Fountain Tire. Talk to Shelby, tell him Kurt sent you. He might know who you're talking about. Thank you guys again for all the support, and we'll see you next time when we do dyno or navigation update. Not sure which one. We'll see how I feel. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Take care.